If you need your Emirates ID urgently but you don't have a physical copy, do not panic because you can download it right now online for free. And let me show you how. Simply start by logging in into your ICP app or the ICP website. You can log in using your UAE pass, your email, or even your mobile number. Once you are logged in, tap here at the cards section. You will see that this folder has all your personal documents. So let's download right now. By simply tapping on your visa, you can download your visa copy in PDF, okay? Once you tap on this download PDF button, you'll be prompted to save a copy of your visa on your device. In the same way, if you want to download your Emirates ID, simply tap on it here in the documents folder, then click here on the last option, which is download PDF file. Once you click on it again, you'll be prompted to save a PDF copy of your Emirates ID on your device. This downloaded Emirates ID photocopy can be used for official purposes since it has both sides of your ID. So guys, that's how you download your Emirates ID and visa copy online for free. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button.